When multiplying radicals together, it's quite simple. In this case, all you have to do is multiply the insides together. 2 times 3 is 6, and there we get the square root of 6. We'll do this again. 2 times 8 is 16, so we get 16 on the inside of the radical. But this time we can do something with this. So the square root of 16 is 4, so we can do just that. I want to point out something. When we're thinking about reducing radicals, we could think about reducing this radical. So if we break 16 apart, we could do 2 and 8, and then break that apart into 2 and 4, and then 2 and 2. And then if we do this circling of pairs, there's a pair of 2's. There's a 2 outside the radical. Another pair of 2's, there's another 2 outside the radical. And then there's nothing left over. So there's nothing to put inside the radical anymore. So in this case, it's just 2 times 2, which is 4. When we have something outside the radicals as well, very simple rule for this. We multiply insides with insides, outsides with outsides, and never the two shall mix. So the outsides are 3 and 4, so we'll multiply 3 times 4, we get 12, that goes on the outside. Then we have a 5 and a 2 on the inside, and multiply those, we get 10. And that's it. For this one, we do the same thing as last time. 2 times 7 on the outside, that's 14. Then on the inside, 15 times 5, that's 75. But we can reduce this radical now. And I will want you to do this anytime you're able to, anytime it's possible to reduce a radical, I want you to reduce it. So 75, the square root of 75 can be reduced. So we can do 3 times 25, and 25 can be split into 5 times 5. So then we have a pair of 5's here. So we can again pull that pair of 5's out front. So then we're going to get, let's see, don't forget the 14. 14 times 5, then there's a 3 left underneath. 14 times 5 is 70. And so we end up with 70 times the square root of 3.